Echo Spot.
Hi there.
A compact Echo with a screen that can show you the time, the news, your music, and a whole lot more. With Echo Spot, you can customize Alexa to help you rise and shine.
Alexa, good morning.
Up and at 'em, Tiger. It's 45 degrees with partly cloudy skies. Here's your flash briefing.
Start your day with a forecast, commute times, or the latest trending news. Staying in touch is simple. Call just about anyone hands-free, or make video calls to family and friends with an Echo Spot, Echo Show, or the Alexa app.
Alexa, call Jess.
Calling Jess.
Hey, what's up?
Hey.
Is everything okay?
Just ask to play music from Spotify, Pandora, Amazon Music, and more.
Alexa, play Emily King.
Shuffling songs by Emily King.
Listen through the built-in speaker, or for even more sound, connect Echo Spot to your external or Bluetooth speakers.
Alexa, turn it up.
Echo Spot works with compatible smart devices to set the temperature, turn on the lights, or check in on the little one.
Alexa, show me the nursery.
Okay.
And with the adjustable stand sold separately, you can see everything from the perfect angle.
Good night, little guy.
With tens of thousands of skills and counting, Alexa is always getting smarter, and so will Echo Spot.
Alexa, good night.
Sleep tight.
The all-new Echo Spot from Amazon.
Meet Roku Ultra, our ultimate streaming player with our best wireless performance. An enhanced voice remote, including TV power and volume buttons, means no more juggling remotes.
Find Westworld.
Use your voice to search for your favorite shows or actors. And includes JBL premium headphones, so you can listen as loud as you want while keeping the house quiet. Enjoy it all in stunning 4K and brilliant HDR color. Misplace your remote? A lost remote finder will reveal its hiding place. There's a Roku player just for you. And every one comes with a simple and intuitive home screen, more than 500,000 movies and TV episodes, including free movies and TV shows on the Roku channel. The fastest way to find your favorites by title, actor, or director with Roku Search, and the free Roku mobile app to make your iOS or Android device the ultimate streaming companion. The Roku lineup.
Introducing the PITAKA new wallet, the first modular, fast-access carbon fiber wallet with RFID blocking and anti-degaussing feature. Nobody likes bulky, uncomfortable wallets. That's why we designed PITAKA. The modular design gives you the opportunity to customize your wallet based on your current situation. You can decide from different modules what you want to bring. The carbon fiber design is super strong with stunning good looks. It's ultra slim, compact, and easily fits in any pocket or purse. With its cool and clever design, you can easily get access to your items with a quick flick of the wrist. Designed more than for cards, PITAKA can hold all your daily essentials, cash, keys, coins, SD cards, and much more. Just play with it, and within seconds, add or remove modules based on what you want to take for the day. Besides the stunning design, PITAKA is 100% RFID blocking, and it will keep all your cards secure and safe from the risks of card hacking. PITAKA New Wallet is the world's first of its kind with a special anti-degaussing module. It will prevent the magnetic strip cards degaussing, as seen in many other wallets. We use the best carbon fiber material to design PITAKA, and the body itself is tough enough for even more amazing things. You can use it as a screwdriver and bottle opener. Slim, strong, secure, and safe. That's PITAKA New Wallet. Join us, and together, let's put a PITAKA new wallet into everyone's pocket.
Ring makes simple ways to protect and watch over your home, because safer homes mean safer neighborhoods. Introducing Stick-Up Cam by Ring, a next-generation indoor-outdoor security camera that keeps you connected to your home and family.
Hey, Dad. Hey, honey. Remember, Eli's recitals at 7.
I'll be there.
Motion-activated notifications alert you to the things you need to know. Can I help you? Stick-Up Cam keeps an eye on things when you're not there and gives you peace of mind when you are. Combine Stick-Up Cam with your Ring alarm and other Ring cameras to create a complete ring of security around your home. Stick-Up Cam works seamlessly with your Amazon Echo devices,
Alexa, show me the pool.
so you can be doing anything while still keeping an eye on everything. Stick-Up Cam is available in wired, power over Ethernet, solar, and battery options, making it easy to install in any home. So get smart about your home's security with the easy-to-use, anywhere, anytime Stick-Up Cam by Ring.
Sukapa Oasis VR. Its surface using light and breathable fabric material, plus retractable strap that effectively ease wear fatigue. Features like the best panoramic FOV from human body angle of view. The aspheric optical lens easily adjusts the picture valve, the multi-layer blue luminosity film for your eyes protection, the hi-fi stereo earphone with built-in noise reduction, a first-class audio output, user-friendly volume control, and telephone button. Sukapa Oasis VR headwear device brings you a whole new world and immersive experience.